Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Arman for the new people who are on this channel. And today, guess what? I'm going in CalaDOr, exactly in Cala Gran. I will make you a new tour. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this. You know when I'm posting a new video. This is the biggest cala from CalaDOr. It's amazing, guys. This you need to see it. If you come to CalaDOr in Mallorca, even if you don't come in CalaDOr and you stay in the other side of the island, you need to visit this place. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking. Okay guys, you have three ways to go to Cala Gran. If you come from that side, you come from Esmeralda Park, from Cala Esmeralda. From there you come from CalaDOr, and you have a little path from here going to the beach. You arrive exactly on the rocks. Let's go. I will show you also the other two ways when we go out. Go here down the stairs. Arrive to another street. Also from here is another way. This is a little bit more complicated than the others. Go till the end. We keep going down the stairs from here. The water is so blue, but how it's a little bit cloudy. We arrive exactly on the rocks. Look at that. Still there are a lot of people. We arrive exactly on the rocks. From there you can go in the water. That is the starfish boat. From there you can get the starfish boat. This boat is stopping in any single cala. Depends where you are staying. This is the biggest cala. I will show you also. Here is good because you have also some restaurants on the beach. You don't need to walk till in the town if you want to drink something or eat, but you need to know the prices. They are different. It's a little bit expensive than in town. How closer you go to the beach, the prices they are going higher. Okay, we arrive on the beach. Let's go in the other side. Actually today was super hot. It was melting. Okay, there you have one of the restaurants. There one is quite new for this year. And there you have another one. Let's go in the other side. I try to go on the sand, but will be all this dust in my shoes. Still is noisy and there are not so many people. I don't know when they take the sunbed back. Let's see. Now sir, I will show you how to go out. You have one way from there, one from there. Also the starfish here. Here you have another restaurant. Here if you want to make your hair.
Where are you from?
You can go out also from that way. You arrive upstairs and you can go to Cala Petita. And this is the way where you go to take the starfish boat. Also this cala is super clean. I will try to find also some video to link to this video that I filmed them in the summer. I try to make also the videos like this the end of the season, like this is not too much noise and I can speak clear. It's looking quite nice. It's a little bit dark because the sun is in the other side, but like this is looking nice. This is Cala Gran, is the biggest cala, and after this one, on that one on the left side where I show you, is Cala Petita. It's a little cala. I think it's the smallest, or the smallest is Cala Serena, I think. Yeah, I will try also to make a video also for that one. I try to do a video for each cala. Cala Serena, Cala Ferrera, Cala Gran is this one, Cala Esmeralda is the one video before, and Cala Petita. And after you have in the other side Cala Egos. I think they have fourth one, and Cala Egos. There are another two calas, and in the other side you have I don't remember, Cala Estreza, something like this, but you need to walk a lot. Cala Sanau and Cala Mijana. These three, they are a little bit far away, like 40-45 minutes walking. To Cala Estreza you need to walk on the rocks, or you need a car. And let's show you now how to go out from Cala Gran, from the other ways, for the official ways. From you come from the center, from CalaDOr. I will come from the other side on the short way. Let's go out. Okay, you can go out from there or on this way. On this way we are going up. And this was Cala Gran. If you go on the left, you go in the center of CalaDOr. From there you can go in CalaDOr. From here you go up on the right and you arrive from where we come to Cala Esmeralda. If you go on the left, you can go to Cala Ferrera and Cala Esmeralda. And this was the video of today, guys, with Cala Gran. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see something else, let me know, leave a comment. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell. Like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.